Hey guys, welcome to part 2.
He meant part 2 because this is part 2. Part 1 is super good. Yeah, right?
Yup, that's right.
I'm almost done building. I'm still with the progress. So, minute. So, I'm building something cool. Yes sir, yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir. I'm just gonna make a big slide. Then, yes sir, yes sir. Just gonna put Linder. Meh. Meh.
Basta may dami nangyari.
Meh.
You have it.
Meh. 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 I can stop at 3 minutes. So we need to be fast because we're gonna stop at 3 minutes. I'm just gonna find red things.
Red things? There's so many red things there.
Yep. Could you please find me one?
What do you? Red things?
Yeah, like anything.
Anything red?
Pero but not like it's not like broken, okay?
Yep.
Thank you. Please listen.
Hoy! Hoy!
Thank-
Bawal mag-park dyan. Humanap na yung ibang parking space.
Gotcha, gotcha,
Sorry, lagi po ako dito nagpa-park.
gotcha,
Jordan!
gotcha, gotcha, gotcha.
Red things? Red things? More things red? Red?
Yes sir, yes sir.
What's red? Because your favorite?
Oh, hindi pa naman Christmas.
So guys, we're gonna stop this again because it's been 3 minutes.
You wait the part 3, okay?
Part 3. I'm gonna remove the first video and the second video. Now I'm gonna do the third video. Okay, bye.